I'm Wayne Pollock. I'm a thought leadership ghostwriter serving big law and boutique law firm partners. I help these partners build their practices and their prominence one word at a time. We all like to think about thought leadership as a core marketing and business development tool for lawyers, for law firms, and really any professional services provider and their firm. And that's absolutely, positively the case. But thought leadership can also be a magnet to attract and retain top talent. Let me give you 5 ways that thought leadership can attract lateral talent or talent just out of school, and how it can retain talent once they're already at your firm. The first way is that thought leadership helps position a law firm as knowledgeable in a particular area of law or regarding a particular industry that it serves. When attorneys and staff, but for the most part, attorneys know they want to work in a certain area of the law or they want to serve in a particular industry, when they see a law firm and that law firm's attorneys consistently publishing content, thought leadership content regarding their work in that area or that work serving that industry, they're going to say to themselves, hey, this is a firm that obviously does this work. I want to be a part of that firm because I know that they are serving the clients that I want to serve, and they are clearly wrestling with the legal issues and business issues I want to wrestle with as an attorney. And on a kind of ego side, people tend to want to collaborate and learn from thought leaders, right? They want to go to the best. So when they know a law firm is practicing a particular area of law or serving a particular industry, lawyers will be attracted to that firm. Secondly, consistent thought leadership can enhance a firm's reputation. So beyond being known as a firm that practices in an area or serves an industry based on content they produce, over time, a firm can gain the reputation of being a go-to respected law firm for a particular practice or for a particular industry served. That reputation can grab lateral hires and help retain current attorneys. Many people want to work for the best company of its kind. And if a law firm is known for being a leader in a field based on the clients they're getting, but also the thought leadership they are putting out, and arguably the thought leadership is helping to attract the clients, and then the clients provide the lawyers interesting matters that the lawyers can write about in some form or fashion, that leads to more interesting thought leadership, and the cycle continues. When attorneys and staff, but really again, attorneys, see a firm with a reputation for practicing an area of law or serving an industry based on their thought leadership, that's another way that those lateral attorneys or attorneys fresh out of school might flock to that firm. Third, thought leadership helps a law firm show off its philosophy and its vision for handling the business matters and legal matters that its clients bring to them. If a firm's thought leadership isn't just talking about developments in the law, but is also talking about how to resolve certain matters, how it dealt with certain issues, trends, etc., that is communicating to lateral attorneys and attorneys fresh out of school that the firm has a particular way of doing things. And that could be attractive to attorneys who are coming in to the firm. Now, that could be a plaintiff's firm or a criminal law firm that seems to be doing something very innovative in the direct-to-consumer world, or that can be a large law firm, and the large law firm is explaining through thought leadership how it takes these non-traditional approaches to deals or to litigation or to regulatory advice that is helping signal to like-minded people out there who might be lateral hires or incoming associates from law school. It's signaling to them, hey, we do things a certain way here. And if you believe in that way, if you believe in that philosophy and vision, we're the right firm for you. Number 4, thought leadership by its nature shows that a firm is empowering its attorneys to be thought leaders. It is willing to allow its attorneys to have a platform to be thought leaders. That is attractive to many lateral attorneys and to incoming associates from law school. These attorneys can get the sense that a law firm wants to help them with the professional growth, that the law firm encourages them to be proactive in sharing their expertise. The attorney, the lateral attorney or the incoming associate, is getting a glimpse of the firm's philosophy about developing its associates and developing its partners. That could be huge because many firms aren't forthcoming with that. Many firms, you have to get in there before you actually see the truth and you can learn, okay, gee, actually, they don't help promote attorneys' thought leadership. They don't help to promote attorneys' marketing and business development efforts often. But if you see a firm that has thought leadership that's being published often, and you see a large roster of attorneys who are publishing that thought leadership, that should signal to incoming or lateral associates that this might be a firm that is going to help me get my name out there and help build my professional brand by allowing me to publish thought leadership. Fifth and finally, when a law firm publishes thought leadership regarding the culture of the firm, how it operates, its views of the business of law, how it treats its people, what it believes its core values to be, this kind of thought leadership can show to lateral attorneys, to incoming attorneys, that this firm believes in certain things about how law should be practiced. That can signal to attorneys that this place is the right place for you if you believe in these values and you're looking for a firm that is willing to go out there through its thought leadership and talk to you about how it sees the world in terms of the business of law, the practice of law, culture, etc. Thought leadership is an amazing marketing and business development tool, but it can also be an amazing recruiting tool. When deployed strategically and consistently, thought leadership can be a magnet to attract lateral attorneys and incoming attorneys out of law school. If you're interested in learning more about how to create the kind of thought leadership that can help attract these attorneys, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of videos, blog posts, and podcast episodes that can help you do just that.